Hello everyone, it's Vivi. Today we're gonna be crocheting for a market that we have on the 28th, and we're gonna be testing out a chicken from Noodle on YouTube and check out if it's under 30 minutes and it's market friendly. So we're gonna time ourselves. I'm gonna be using a 4mm hook with 6 book yarn, and let's see how long it takes us. Okay, so far we have 18 minutes and 28 seconds, and we have the base of the chicken, the body ready with the tail. So we're gonna put on the eyes, the beak, and then the top red part and the crest, and see how much time we have left. So okay, so we are finished with our chicken, and this is how it's looking. Look how cute it turned out. It's so adorable. I love it. And it only took us 24 minutes to do the chicken, so it is definitely market friendly. So I'm gonna link below the pattern from this chicken, which I believe is Noodle, so you can go ahead, get the pattern, and do this for your market, because this is super adorable. It's under 30 minutes, so it's definitely market friendly, and it's a great and fast option to have in your table. So I hope you like your video. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on our next video.